Optus, and Sydney Space Systems, L'Oreal, the United States, and all the industry partners across the European continent. We are down to it again, my friends. 20 seconds to go. The Amazon rainforest about to be lit up. Here's the countdown.
À tous les DDO, attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage Vulcain. Allumage 2 EAP. Décollage. Les paramètres à bord sont normaux, la trajectoire est nominale. Paramètres à bord sont normaux, la trajectoire est nominale.
A picture's worth 1,000 words. The rumble in the Amazon jungle that you're hearing right now is the Ariane 5 ECA as it makes its way into the sky over Kourou. Again, it's my fifth Ariane 5 launch I've had the honor to do. Takes my breath away every time. And in just a moment, well, we've just crossed the speed of sound, and now the rumble comes. If you were here, you could feel this building shake as the Ariane 5 roars above us right now. It is one incredible... Look at that view on the camera as 1,300 tons of thrust breaking the Ariane 5 free from the Earth's gravity. 90% of the power is coming from the two boosters on the side of the rocket. Each one 31 meters tall, about 100 feet, burning 240 tons of solid propellant in just 2 minutes, more than 2 tons per second. Look at that baby move out on the screen, and it is still shaking and rumbling. We can hear it, and I'm inside a soundproof booth here at the Jupiter Flight Center. 2 minutes into the flight, when the boosters have done their job, which will be just a few seconds from now, we'll be about 70 kilometers into the sky, traveling more than a mile a second, much faster than a bullet. And what a picture on the screen. We're going to see the burnout and the separation of those solid rocket boosters. And there it is. Look at that picture. As those two solid rocket boosters separate, fall away as they did, we lost a lot of weight. We launched, what we say, 780 tons. We've lost 600 tons. What a Weight Watcher diet. The launcher is now at about 180 tons. As we get lighter, we get faster. And look at that racehorse speed on the lower right-hand side. We're now at 2.15 kilometers a second and growing fast. We can still see the light of the rocket from here. The next event that we will be seeing in just another 20 seconds, 15 seconds, will be the jettisoning of the fairing. Regretfully, it's nighttime. If it wasn't, we'd almost see it with our own eyes. The fairing there in the animation has covered the two satellites while they were in the Earth's atmosphere. We just lost another 2 tons as the fairing drops away. There's some images of what it looks like from a previous flight. The launcher now 120 kilometers above the Earth. We're technically in space. There's no reason to have a covering over them anymore, over the satellite at least. We still have a long way to go. We actually will be dropping off our first satellite at 898 kilometers into space. So we have a long way to go. And speed-wise, we have a long way to go. 200 and make that 9.15 kilometers per second. You see the curve in the upper right-hand side? That is the track, the telemetry, the trajectory that we want to follow this evening. The little green dot you see there, that is the actual telemetry or actual path we are following. We're going right down the middle right now with the Ariane 5. We are going to watch some replays here in a moment, and there you go. That tell you what an incredible view of the Ariane 5. But the main job now is being done by the main cryogenic stage, or the EPC. There's another view of it leaving the pad. We could watch that all night long. That EPC burns for about 9 minutes. It's really just a huge fuel tank. It holds 150 tons liquid oxygen, 25 tons of liquid hydrogen. The heavy lifting being done by the mighty Vulcan engine. It gulps 700 pounds of fuel a second, 500 times more than a jet engine. Again, we're right on track as we make our way out across the Atlantic Ocean right now. And again, 5 minutes, 31 seconds into the flight. Everything is going well. We're 163 kilometers above the Earth, but look at how fast we're moving now. We're picking up speed very quickly, 3.5 kilometers per second. Again, we got to get up to just a little over 9.3 kilometers per second. 9.15 is where we'll be when Measat is separated. Optus will drop off at about a little over 8 kilometers per second. Well, if you think that's exciting, we got some great news to tell you from Arianespace right now.